Somo ni jopuonj mag JSS ma Nairobi no bago ng'anyo nyaka apisi mar duol mandiko jopuonj mar TSC ka gidwaro mondo gigeyo mongirore. Jopuonj go dwaro mondo TSC ondik jopuonj mar 46,000 duto kalore kaka od bura no ng'ado e chik mar omenda mar 2024-2025. Kata kamano jakom komiti mar budget e od bura mamalo Ndindi Nyoro owacho ni piny owacho oseketo omenda maromo mar ndiko jopuonj go mongirore kochakore dwe manyien.
Tunasema tunakuja kuinvestigate TSC, na tumeongea na JSS, na tunakuja kuangalia na wachache kitu wanafanya kwa ofisi. Actually anafaa ende nyumbani. Hii commissions ya walimu inatesa walimu. Na sio sisi peke yetu, hata wale wa primary, hata wale wa secondary, commission inatesa walimu.
We are here to confirm to TSC that the government has allocated money and we know. So it is high time that TSC to act expeditiously so that they employ the 46 teachers. We insist that there is 46,000 teachers. We insist there is no number that we are going to take less than 46,000 teachers.
We have allocated monies for the confirmation of the JSS interns. They are all 46,000. And our intention, and we have guided TSC as such, is that they should make a way of accommodating all of them. And if it's possible, they bring back the date of confirmation much faster, because the budget will take effect from the 1st of July, and therefore they should work around there. If the money will not be enough for the entire financial year, we can always slot in more money in the supplementary estimates so that we have our JSS interns well confirmed at the permanent and pensionable terms.